Mobility or stability? That's the question. I have taken the dictionary to read the definitions of mobility, and here they are. The quality or state of being mobile, the quality of moving freely, the movement of individuals place to place, job to job, social or economic. Sperm mobility refers to the movement and swimming of sperm. Okay, this is also useful to know sometimes. But let's see what stability is. The state or quality of being stable, continuance without change, constancy. It is even a vow, but in this case there is not any reference to the job. This means that the job mobility should be the standard. I'm coming from Italy. Yes, it is that country you are thinking about, famous for pasta, pizza and yeah, that guy you have in mind at the moment. But we are also famous for the research and the culture, and we like mobility so much that a few years ago we had a Minister of Research and University basing her career on the mobility. She is a lawyer, and for becoming a lawyer in Italy you must give an habilitation exam after the graduation. This exam is usually very difficult in most of the places, but there is some place where it is quite easy. You know, we are also famous for corruption. So this lady is coming from extreme north of Italy, and after not passing the habilitation exam in her place, she decided to get the residence just a few kilometers away. Here, in Reggio Calabria, extreme south of Italy, about 1000 kilometers from her place. Try to guess, she surprisingly passed the exam. This is mobility. But during her ministerial period, she did something better. Some Italian researcher at CERN pretended to discover that the neutrinos moved with speed higher than the light. In this case, if this was true, it was a great result for Italian research. They measured the time that the neutrinos needed to go from Geneva lab to Gran Sasso lab. The neutrinos are small particles and they can even cross the matter. Our Minister of Research and University, remember, was so happy about the result that she published in the ministry homepage some message like this: I'm grateful to the Italian researchers contributing to this event that will change the modern physics. Italy contributed with about 45 millions of euros to build the tunnel between CERN and Gran Sasso. She really thought that there was a tunnel long 700 kilometers connecting Geneva and Gran Sasso, making the life easier for neutrinos and allowing them to move freely without any traffic jam. This is also mobility of neutrinos. This was one of the joke appearing the day after in internet. You see the tunnel and the speed limit, which is the light speed. Okay, you probably now understand why I started my mobility. I left my country with the same speed of neutrinos. I have started my career 11 years ago. I have lived in 4 countries, 6 cities, 10 different apartments, and I have changed 8 affiliations. For a certain period, I lived in US for a visiting position. When someone asked me, "Where are you from?" I was a bit confused and I didn't know what to answer. It was a bit shocking for me. At that moment, I was physically living in US, but I was resident in Denmark since working for Danish Institute, and I had my apartment in Copenhagen. But I also had my house in Italy, and anytime I went back to Italy, I actually lived in another place because visiting my family. 4 different options. Which one was the right answer? This was mobility in all its meanings: state of being mobile, moving freely, place to place, job to job, economic level, and okay, let's exclude the swimming properties at the moment, but it was also instability for my mind. My clothes are spread all over. All this period was really nice. It was a great experience. I have learned 5 languages. I have created a big network of collaborations all around the world. I have visited all the continents, known so many people and cultures, and tasted so many different dishes. Research is also a lot of fun. It's really great. But in the meanwhile, I have broken up 3 times with my girlfriend. Try to follow me as much as possible. The Hamlet question still remains: mobility or stability. Thank you.